Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I style my hair using the Dyson Airwrap. I love it so much because it gives me so much volume. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram because I love staying up to date with all the latest trends. And make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel for weekly videos. And let's get into it. Alright, I am so excited to make this video because this is going to be the second time that I am using the Dyson. The first time I used it, my hair came out so good, so that's why I'm really excited because I know it's going to turn out amazing. My sisters gifted me this Dyson for my bachelorette, so shout out to my sisters for that. This is the perfect present. I did not know I needed this, okay? Like, when I tell you, you need this, you need this. It's really expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but let me show you how I use it. So far I've only used these barrels, the biggest ones. I looked online to buy the longer barrels for longer hair, but they're currently sold out on the website. So when they restock those, I definitely want to pick those up because I heard it's easier to use the longer barrels when you have long hair. They're like this long, but these work great. So I will say it is a little tedious interchanging these barrels because each barrel is designed to go a different way, and you want to use the barrel that's going away from your face. You can do every other, but that's just gonna take way more time like you would with a curling iron. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair off, and it's damp. It says it's best to use this with damp hair. And then I have 3 products that I'm gonna use for a heat protectant. I have this Hot Toddy by Drybar, the Jumpstart by Drybar, and then the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and these are all gonna help to protect my hair. This is the trio that I used the last time I styled my hair with the Dyson, and my hair lasted a full week. I only washed my hair once a week, and my hair looked amazing after the first week. I probably could have went longer. Have my coffee because I'm gonna need it. I have thick hair, so this took me about an hour. It normally takes me about an hour when I straighten my hair, so it's not much different. What I'm gonna do is brush out my hair section by section, and then I'm gonna apply my product. So I'm gonna attach my barrel that is going away from my face from my right side. I'm gonna turn it on the hot setting, let it wrap around the barrel, and I'm just gonna do a small upward and down motion to help it wrap around the barrel better before I bring the barrel closer to my head. Let it sit there, and then when I feel my hair is almost dry, I'm gonna put it on the cool setting, and then I'm gonna turn it off before I release my hair. And it just makes beautiful curls. It looks so good. So I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm just gonna move it to the back of my head, and I am gonna let all of my curls sit so they can set, and that way they will just last a lot longer. Next section. Sometimes I feel like I do have to give my hair a little bit of help and just kind of wrap it around the barrel, like around the bottom. The ends will kind of come off, so I'll just wrap them around the barrel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's so easy, and my curls look so good. I know this one's gonna be really good. Ooh. So pretty. I don't want to pull it out, so I'm just gonna leave it, but oh my god, so pretty. Now I'm gonna do the left side. So all I'm gonna do is unlock the barrel here, and since I just had it on the cool setting, it's not that hot, so I'll just take that off, and then I'm gonna attach my barrel that is going in the opposite direction because I want my curls to go away from my face, not toward my face. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. So it's as simple as that. I know this is gonna be a good one too. My hair just looks so good. So applying a heat protectant is very important. Whatever you apply to your hair before you use the Dyson is gonna help your hair look that much better. So it looks soft, sleek. I'm just gonna speed through this until I get to the next section. So pretty. So this is what the back looks like. I'm gonna clip my hair out of the way so I can part my next section. I'm trying to do this in 3 sections. So you can definitely use smaller sections, but I like doing it in 3. So the way I'm gonna blow dry the top part is crucial to getting volume. So I'll show you that in a little bit. I'm just gonna do the same thing, brush out my hair. All right, and we're just gonna do it all over again. I'm gonna start from the back, and I'm gonna try to use small sections. And since I was doing my left side last, I'm just gonna start on my left side this time. You have to do the front pieces by themselves because they're a lot shorter. So next I have the last section of my hair. I'm gonna apply my heat protectants. I'm gonna brush my hair forward because I feel like this is gonna give me the most volume the way I dry it. So I'm gonna curl it up and away from my face. So I have the barrel that is going up and away from my face attached. This is the only one that I'm gonna use on the top of my head. And I'm gonna section it from the back and do the same thing. And again, I'm just gonna let my curls sit. I'm just gonna do a smaller section of my bangs to smooth those out a little bit more. Just gonna let that sit for a second before I shake it out. So that's how I style my hair using the Dyson Airwrap. I haven't used the other attachments yet, but I'm really excited to. I love the Dyson so much. And I just wanted to share my new hairstyling routine with you guys. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for weekly videos, and make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.